Hi everyone! Today we're making these super easy granola cookies. They're a fantastic healthy option if you're looking for something delicious and crunchy. You can enjoy them as a snack or even crumble them over some yogurt for a perfect healthy breakfast. To start, let's add 1/4 cup or 55 grams of unsalted butter to a large bowl and pop it in the microwave for about 40 to 50 seconds. After that, add 1/4 cup or 85 grams of honey, 1 teaspoon or 4 grams of cinnamon, which is optional, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well with a whisk until all the ingredients are combined. Now we're adding a very important ingredient for these oatmeal cookies, which is the egg white from 1 large egg. I recommend that you don't skip or replace this because the egg white acts as a binder and keeps the cookies firm so they don't crumble. Add the egg white and whisk it in just until it's incorporated. Finally, add 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract to give our cookies an even better flavor. Next, we're going to add 2 cups or 180 grams of rolled oats. At this point, add your favorite mix-ins for extra flavor and crunch. I'm using 1/4 cup or 37 grams of chopped toasted almonds, 1/4 cup or 37 grams of chopped toasted walnuts, and 1/3 cup or 60 grams of chocolate chips. Feel free to customize this based on what you have at home. You can use hazelnuts, peanuts, raisins, dried cranberries, or even sugar-free chocolate chips if you prefer a cookie with less sugar. This recipe is super versatile, so feel free to adapt it to your taste. Switch to a spatula and mix everything very well, making sure the liquid ingredients coat all the oats and mix-ins evenly. Now it's time to shape our cookies. We're going to use a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper and a round cookie cutter that is about 3 inches or 7 centimeters wide. Place the cutter on the parchment paper and put about 2 tablespoons of the mixture inside. I'm using a cookie scoop that holds exactly 2 tablespoons to make it easier. Use the back of a spoon to press the mixture down firmly into the cutter. This creates a compact base so the cookies hold their shape perfectly. Give the cutter a little twist and lift it up, leaving a beautifully shaped cookie behind. Repeat this until you've used all the mixture. You don't need to leave much space between them because these cookies won't spread or rise in the oven. Now let's bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they look a nice light golden brown. Let them cool and set completely on the baking sheet. Once they're cool, just run a spatula underneath to lift them off. This recipe makes about 16 cookies, and you can store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. These are such a great healthy snack to have during the week, and they're perfect for school lunchboxes or whenever you want a little guilt-free treat. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. See you next time!